Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how I altered this cardigan. As you can see, this cardigan is way too big on me, so on today's video I'll show you how I altered this cardigan. First I'll remove these pockets off the front of this cardigan. I have unpicked one pocket from the front and it looks like that. I'll repeat same process on other pocket. Next, I will trace my favourite cardigan out of this yellow cardigan, so the yellow cardigan new pattern fits me perfect. I have cut out the total pattern and looks like that. Next I will save this hem of this yellow cardigan hem and I will sew this hemline on a new pattern there, so it's nice finish. Next I will cut the sleeve buttons, so I'm cutting both sleeves out, and here are all my buttons for my new yellow cardigan and I'll sew it together. First I'm sewing side seams on this cardigan with 1 cm seam allowance. I have sewed one side seam. I'll repeat the same process on other side seam. Next I'm overlocking both side seams and it looks like that. Next I'll sew this care label on a side seam. I'm sewing another stitch on a side seam so the seam is nice and secure, and I'll sew both sides so it looks like that. Next I will pin this hemline to the torso button hem. I'm pinning this hemline to all sides and all centres. I'm sewing on this hemline with 1 cm seam allowance. Hemline is sewed on and it looks like that. Next I'm overlocking this hemline all around. Next I'm ironing all of the seams flat. Next I will sew on these sleeves. I'm pinning these sleeves to sleeve round. I'm attaching all seams together and the sleeve center to shoulder center. And I will sew these sleeves all around there. I'll repeat same process on other sleeve and this is how it looks. Next I will overlock sleeve rounds on both sleeves. Next I'll sew on this pocket there, so it matches the knitting pattern lines there. I'm pinning this pocket down and I'll sew straight stitch there. I'm sewing straight stitch on the hem of the pocket like that. Next I will sew straight stitch there and there, so I'm sewing straight stitches on this pocket on both sides. And I'll repeat the same on other pocket. So here's my cardigan before and here's my finished altered cardigan. If you have any questions how I did alterations on this cardigan, please comment down below in a comment box. As you can see, cardigan hem is much shorter and it suits me better. Sleeves are shorter as well. It is a lot more fitted, as you can see, all around. Also the pocket knitting line looks really nice, as you can see there on both sides. very happy with the result and it looks much better. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.